Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create color themes on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the create button down below, which is the second option. Then scroll down until you find the colors section and click on the create button. Here you can see the, so you should direct your phone to the object that you would like to capture. And here you can see the color theme at the top of the picture. If you would like to capture it, just tap on the white button at the bottom of the page. So here you can see the swatches. You can set the colors using these slides. You can also adjust the brightness. As you tap on harmony, you can also set the or harmonize the colors. As you click on image, you can see the color theme and the picture itself. If you want to save it, click on the save button in the upper right corner, and then you can tap on the yes button if you would like to publish your color themes to color.adobe.com. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.